Hello and welcome to my home. Don't get used to it though, because you're about to head over to Crumbs Doilies HQ, where Dane is going to show you guys how to make creme patissiere, because this Thursday I'm going to show you how to make chocolate eclairs filled with the stuff. These things, they are so delicious, but you're going to need the creme pat recipe, so here's Dane.
Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make pastry cream, aka creme patissiere. This is kind of a thickened custard, it's really creamy. You can use it in a lot of different things as a base for things like creme mousseline or creme diplomat, but today I'm going to show you how to make it so you can make Jemma's eclairs, which I'll show you how to make later on this week. So to start off, I've got a hob and a large saucepan. I've got 675 millilitres of milk. To that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and get that going on a medium heat. So the next step, in a clean bowl, I'm going to add 135 grams of caster sugar, to that 40 grams of cornflour, and 2 whole eggs and 2 yolks. And I'm going to whisk that all together. So this is done. As you can see, it's nice and pale and it's really thick. So next, our milk is ready and we need to combine the two together. But we don't want to do it all at once, as we risk cooking the eggs and scrambling them. So we want to do it a little bit at a time. I'm going to add a little bit of the milk to the egg mixture, and that's called tempering. So we're bringing the eggs up to a nice even temperature. So once you've added your first bit of milk, you can go ahead and slowly pour in the rest, whisking at the same time. So that's all combined, and then I'm going to pour this back into the original pan and pop that on the heat and whisk it continuously so it doesn't burn and make scrambled eggs at the bottom of the pan. And we're going to whisk until this is a nice thick consistency on a medium heat for about 3 to 5 minutes. So that was quicker than I thought. This is done. It's nice and thick and creamy, and you'll know when it's done when you can stop whisking and there's kind of a bubbling coming from the bottom. That means the cornflour is all cooked out and you're ready to take it off of the heat. So I'm going to take this off the heat, and I've got a clean bowl and a sieve ready to pass it through the sieve, just in case there's any little bits at the bottom that we didn't quite get when we were whisking. So that's all pushed through the sieve, and now I'm going to cover it with some cling film, which I have ready. You'll notice that I'm pushing it right down onto the creme pat so it comes into contact with it. This will stop it forming its skin. Cool, so that is cling filmed, and I'm just going to wait for that to cool down before I pop it in the fridge. You can store this for up to 3 days. I wouldn't keep it any longer than that, but just until you're ready to use it. You can use this to fill things like donuts, and don't forget Jemma's eclairs, which we'll be making on Thursday. But until then, see you later.